टॉकीज योजना, टॉकीज दुनिया के सारथी. Talkies Yojana provides consulting and management services for setting up and running a multiplex. We handhold you through the complete journey from feasibility to profitability, how to convert a single-screen cinema to a multiplex. As the COVID-19 pandemic spread, cinemas and malls were among the first public spaces to be shut. And as of today there is no clarity on when they will be able to reopen and what new regulation they could be facing under social distancing guidelines. While this poses a big problem and income challenges for the multiplexes, it can spell a death knell for the single-screen theaters. Single screens have been facing an existential crisis for a long time. Already fraught with hygiene and maintenance challenges which were hurting footfalls, COVID-19-induced lockdown has posed a direct threat to their survival. Poor theater infrastructure and lack of latest technology restrict these players' ability to charge higher ticket prices, and hence multiplexes, which hold less than 30% of screen inventory, contribute more than 50% to the industry's revenues. Limited content availability from distributors due to concerns regarding transparency of box office collections, the lack of updates in the technology employed for projection, piracy and geolocation strategy for specific content. The inability of single screens to compete with multiplexes in terms of viewing experience, leading to a decline in occupancy. Limited capability of single screens to monetize ancillary revenue streams such as F&B and advertising. Pressure on margins resulting from poor box office collections, the minuscule share of ancillary revenues, unsustainable revenue share agreements with distributors, high taxes and fixed operating costs. The only saving grace for the single-screen owners is that most of the single-screen theaters own the land on which their theaters are made and they don't have to pay rent to anyone. The way forward for the single-screen theaters is to convert from single-screen theater to a multi-screen theater or a multiplex. Multiplex owners do not see merit in taking over single screens and converting them into multiplexes, as the latter are bound by complex state and local laws. Many single-screen cinemas have multiple owners and not all are on the same page when it comes to negotiating with a prospective buyer. The challenge with converting a single screen is that the plinth area is less, and when you make a new cinema out of a single screen, you need to take into account laws, which are not always friendly, points out Alok Tandon, CEO, Inox Leisure. We help single-screen cinema owners find a way out of this and not just survive but thrive in this business. How? Review the existing cinema structure for its durability and longevity. Have a structural audit done and do corrective structural maintenance work, if and where required. Get architects specializing in cinema designs to study options of adding more screens in the same structure. Do a feasibility study of the costs involved in restructuring and working out the expected returns on the base of a number of screens. Ticket pricing according to geographical location and target audience. Once the designs are made and approved internally, apply for approvals from the local and state government departments. Start the structural alteration work after getting approvals from the government departments. Approach multiplex chains for management contract or O&M agreements. Negotiate with a shortlisted multiplex chain and make a roadmap for the deal, which could include fixed rental with profit share. If it's an O&M agreement, then the multiplex chain would require that its standard operating procedures be followed. In this case, we can handhold and guide to for implementing the SOP or managing the multiplex as per the standard operating procedures. We are Talkies Yojana, Talkies Dunya ke Sarthi. We are there with you at every step from feasibility to building, operations setup and transfer of the cinema.